make coconut flakes with me. Coconut is actually one of my best fruits. I love it so much. Yeah, so what I went to do, I broke my coconuts, removed the shell, then rinsed and grated it, and then I'll go ahead to add sugar. Now I've not tried coconut flakes with milk before. I think it's something I will try soon. But I added just sugar, right? And then I'll just go ahead to make sure it is mixed well. Then after mixing well, I'll line my air fryer. One thing I love about my air fryer is the fact that it's transparent, it's big, and it actually has 2 layers, unlike the normal air fryer, like which is kind of limited when it comes to space, right? So this is it. I'm using brown paper because brown paper is more affordable, of course. But you can use air fryer paper if you have the money. Yeah. So I'm just going to go ahead to fix it. And then the next thing I'll do, I was trying to fold this thing. The next thing I'll do is I would add the second layer, right? And then I'll put another set of the shredded coconuts, yeah. And I added a lot to this upper layer because I know it's directly under the source of it, right? And also I did not want to like do another set because you know this is like air fryer, oven and oil. It actually takes energy, like electricity. How do I explain? So I don't wanted to be done with it at that time because I still had something else I wanted to dry. You see that date that is on the table. I was also going to dehydrate it. I took the video on that. It's on my TikTok or under my YouTube shorts. So this is it. I covered it. I set it to 100 degrees Celsius, right, for 30 minutes. But the thing is that when I came back to check it, I saw that it had not really done much because I left for like 20 something minutes. I was checking it, then another 20 something minutes when I opened it, I said that this thing there was no more changes. So I said, okay, let me actually adjust it. But I saw online that some people use 180 degrees Celsius for things like this. I was like, let me use 200 degrees so that it will be faster because I saw other things I want to use lights for and our light, they will take it that money. Anyways, I don't know, send me work. I did that. Let's see, that's 30 minutes, but I didn't wait for 30 minutes to come and check it. I came back and this was the results. It was so painful. I wanted to cry and I was like, oh my god, I hope the one under is still okay. And tada, I was so happy. Like the one under was still okay. And also what I did was I just transferred it to the upper layer, right? And then I reset the timing, like the temperature and all that. Yeah. So this time around, I remained in the kitchen. I did not go anywhere. I did not go anywhere. I remained in the kitchen, right? And if you notice that my camera is shaking because I was using my hand to hold it. So, anyways, I was trying to salvage what I could from this burnt offering. But it is well though. Anyway, so I was now checking it every minute, like not every minute, right? Not literally, but almost like I was just checking it often to be sure. And I was in the kitchen, I was right there. I was like, "See me and you, this is coconut flakes today." And anyways, no use crying over spilled milk. It was just very painful that amount of coconut flakes was wasted. Yeah, this is it. After a while, I kept checking it, kept mixing it. So, if you like what I'm posting on my channel, if you'd like to follow me on my experimental journey, please do subscribe to my channel. So yeah, this is the coconut flakes now, and just see. It looks so nice and it even tasted nicer. Just like coconut flakes like me, you can use it as toppings, you can use it in your cereals, you can just use it as a snack, you can even use this drink, Gary. Please subscribe to my channel if you love me, and even if you hate me, subscribe. Bye.